This is a time-accurate simulation of a rotating propeller of the Cessna 210 general aviation aircraft. Hereafter, we compare URANS against LES simulations. Can you identify which simulation corresponds to URANS and which to LES? LES is expected to capture more detailed flow phenomena, including vortex shedding, vortex breakup, and velocity fluctuations compared to URANS. If you're wondering whether it generates thrust, I can confirm that it indeed does. This type of simulation can be performed using OpenFOAM. To learn how to conduct such simulations and more, follow us on YouTube or join one of our upcoming advanced training sessions. Why the name Wolřej Dynamics? Just take a look at our banner. You'll notice that the letter F is playfully flipped backward, making it readable as either wolf or flow. This fun and unique twist reflects our spirit, distinctive approach, and creativity.